Hi students, welcome to Chemistry Lab. In the last section, we have discussed about the analysis of cations and anions separately. Today, we are going to analyze the simple salt. This is the simple salt which contain both cation and anions. We have to identify and confirm it by doing confirmatory test. Let's do the analysis. The first test is test with the dilute HCl. A little of the salt is taken in a test tube and it is treated with dilute HCl. It does not show any brisk effervescence. So, it indicates the absence of carbonate. The second test is test with the dilute sulfuric acid. A little of the salt is taken in a watch glass and it is rubbed with the dilute sulfuric acid. There is no smell of vinegar, which indicates the absence of acetate. Third test is test with the concentrated sulfuric acid. For that, a little of the salt is taken in a test tube and concentrated sulfuric acid is added to it and apply heating. On heating, we can't see any pungent smelling gas, so which indicates the absence of chloride. Fourth test is test with the concentrated sulfuric acid and a paper ball. To a little of the salt taken in a test tube and concentrated sulfuric acid is added to it. Then apply heating. To the VAM solution, a paper ball is added. There is no characteristic vapors are evolved, which indicates the absence of nitrate. Fifth test is test with the barium chloride. To a little of the salt taken in a test tube, barium chloride is added. White precipitate is obtained, which indicates the presence of sulfate. After the identification of sulfate as anion, we have to confirm it by doing confirmatory test. For the confirmatory test, the reagents used for the confirmation of sulfate, the reagents used are lead acetate and acetic acid. A little of the salt is taken in a test tube and it is acidified with acetic acid and lead acetate solution. A white precipitate is obtained, which indicates the presence of sulfate and the sulfate is confirmed. So, the given salt contains sulfate as anion. Now, we have to identify the cation present in the salt. The first test is test with the sodium carbonate.
to the salt solution. Add about 2 ml of sodium carbonate. Observe the test tube. There is no precipitate formed in the test tube. That indicates the presence of ammonium as cation in the salt. Ammonium is a 0 group cation. The formula of the cation is NH4 plus. By this test, we identify ammonium as the cation present in the salt. Now, confirm the presence of ammonium in the salt by Nessler's reagent test. For this, take about 2 ml of the salt solution in a test tube and a few drops of Nessler's reagent is added.
This salt contains ammonium as cation and sulfate as anion. So the given salt is ammonium sulfate.